Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace Subaru Forester headlights. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a new headlight bulb. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine. It's important to let the headlight assembly cool down for at least 10 minutes to avoid burns. Safety first, always. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector. Gently press its release tab and pull it off. Next, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the two bolts holding the assembly in place. Once those are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward about 2 inches. With the assembly pulled forward, you can now replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it. Gently pull it straight out. When inserting the new bulb, align the tabs and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Almost done. Carefully push the headlight assembly back into its mounting position. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts and tighten them snugly, but don't over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector. You should hear a click, indicating it's secure. Turn on your headlights to test them. Ensure both high and low beams are working correctly before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.